Hey everybody, we got another Guess What's in the Box video. It's a giant box from Amazon, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so got a box in the mail from Amazon. Actually, I got two of them. There's one over by the toolbox as well. We'll definitely be unboxing this on a different video. The box, to help you guys with your guesses, is 26 inches long, not 25. It is 16 inches and 1/4 of an inch wide, and the box is 7 inches and 1/4 of an inch deep. What do you guys think is in this box? It is as a guess, it is a OTC brand tool, and it is automotive related. Just a quick video. It's not going to be very long. What do you guys think it is? I will provide anybody who gets the answer correct on what they think it is. If they get it correct, I will provide a couple stickers to the winner. One will probably be an Osatool sticker and a Wrench Trench Garage sticker, and if there's any other stickers I could find that I have, I'll send out a package of stickers. Do appreciate you guys stopping by. Just a quick video. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And Ulsa Tools link at the top of the description below will get you 10% off of Ulsa Tool at your order at 10% off at ulsatools.com. Sorry. This is the front view of the box, just so you guys can see it. That Ulsa Tools link will also kick me back availability of getting 10% off of my next order, so it does save me money when you guys use the link. If you guys need the link, go ahead and check them out. Use it if you need it. And if you don't, not a big deal. I do appreciate it if you guys do use the links. It does help me out, helps me bring tools to the channel, helps me review tools, and hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace!